Are you looking to sell your home this summer? While we're still in a strong seller's market, there's a widening gap between homes that are ready for the market and homes that aren't. So if you want your home to be a winner on the open market, you probably need to make your home as ready and attractive to buyers as possible. Now, it's been proven that the more showings you have, the more likely you are to have a faster sale and a higher net price. So that's why today I'm sharing 3 reasons why you can get your house ready for showings this summer to net that price. Number 1, take care of minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' number 1 concern is higher interest rates and affordability. And as a result, they want to put as much money down as possible to lower their monthly payments. They don't want to buy a house and still have to pay for repairs. This means that if you take care of the repairs up front, buyers will be more interested in your house, might even pay a premium than to be taking care of these cosmetic repairs after the sale. Number 2, do some staging. Think about an ideal model home. It's clean, it's the standard that people generally like, and it looks somewhat impersonal. So your goal should be to get as close to that image as possible. Your home likely has a lot of personalized touches like odd furniture, family photos, or maybe even an off-colored wall or something like that. So I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible so the prospective buyer can picture themselves living in your home. Plus, by packing everything away, you'll make moving much easier once you sell your home. And number 3, have a plan for the children and pets. Your showings probably won't go smoothly if your dogs and your children are running around the house. So instead, work with your agents to create a showing that blocks out that time when your home is ready for the buyers. This way, you and your buyers won't be bothered or disrupted. And I recommend putting dogs in a kennel just for the short time when you'll be having those showings. So it might be a little bit of work moving your pets around, not your children. But it's worth it if you keep your house in pristine condition when the buyers are viewing it. So if you want a detailed showing plan or a list of repairs to make before you list your home, please call or email me. I'd love to help. As always, it's my job to make this process as stress-free as possible. And if you have any questions on this topic or looking to buy or sell, I'm here to help. My contact information is below, and thanks for watching.